Hello all, this is Renuka from Inspyr. Welcome to the Marketing Insights podcast where we delve into the ever-evolving world of marketing and its various facts. Today, we are diving into a topic that's not only essential but often misunderstood, that is performance marketing. So what exactly is performance marketing? To put it simply, it's a strategy that focuses on measurable results, unlike traditional advertising methods where success might be measured by reach or brand awareness. Performance marketing is all about actions, conversations, leads, sales, or any other specific goals set by the marketer. Now let's break down some of the key elements of performance marketing: audience targeting and segmentations. Effective performance marketing relies on precise audience targeting by understanding the demographics, interests, and behavior of your target audience. Marketers can tailor their messages and offer with potential customers. Next, data-driven insights and analytics. Data is a lifeblood of performance marketing, leveraging analytics tools and technologies. Marketers gather invaluable insights into campaign performance, user behavior, and market trends. Next, optimize channels and tactics. Performance marketing spans a multitude of channels and tactics from search engine optimization and pay-per-click, advertising to email marketing and social media promotion. Understanding the strengths of each channel marketers strategically. Next, conversion focused creatives and messaging. From attention grabbing and copy to visually appealing graphics, every element of creative should be optimized to drive conversions. Marketer experiments with various formats, headlines, and calls to action. Next, continuous testing and optimization. Marketers conducts A or B tests, split tests, and multivariate tests to experiment with different variables and identifying what works best and what doesn't. This culture of continuous testing and optimizations ensures that campaigns evolve and improve over time, delivering increasingly better results. Thanks for tuning into today's episode. We hope you found this exploration of performance marketing insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on marketing strategies and trends. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep performing. Thank you.